Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are making a delicious high protein mango cheesecake without the oven. It's packed with flavor and perfect for summer, healthy and absolutely trending. This is a highly requested video. Let's get started. Ingredients needed to make this recipe. Let's prepare the base for this recipe. Dry roast the beaten rice or oats until lightly golden and aromatic. Roast the almonds as well. Let it cool before you grind. Into a blender, let's add all the ingredients. I am using roasted beaten rice. You could also use oats, almonds, dates and a pinch of salt. Blend into a coarse mixture using a pulse mode. Adding salt to this will enhance the taste. This is optional. I will add ghee after I pulse them. This will provide a nice binding and aroma as well. This is how it should look, nice and coarse. Transfer it to a bowl and set it aside. You could make this in a large bowl or use small bowls like this. Press the mixture firmly into the base. The dates and the ghee holds together when pressed. Once you are done, just set it aside. Before you make your fillings, freeze the cut mangoes for 10 minutes. To the blender, I am adding 1 cup of frozen mangoes, 1 cup of cottage cheese, also called paneer. There are many benefits such as being high in protein, rich in calcium, low in calories, good source of B vitamin. Half cup of Greek yogurt, even this is high in protein, good source of calcium, supports muscle building, low in calories and many more. Use any sweetener of your liking. I am using 2 tablespoons of honey. This is 2 pinches of saffron soaked in warm milk for 10 minutes. To blend everything well, I am adding a tablespoon of milk. After blending, you will get a smooth consistency like this. Pour the filling mixture over the base and spread evenly. Set them in the fridge for 10 to 15 minutes. To make mango puree, add the mango pieces to the blender and blend until smooth. Do not add water or milk to it. Spread the mango puree gently over the filling layer. Set them in the fridge for 2 to 3 hours or leave them overnight before you serve. Before serving them, garnish with some nuts and fresh fruits. There you have it, a healthy high protein dessert. Make it and enjoy the benefits. If you like the recipe, consider subscribing, liking and sharing. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next recipe. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy and happy cooking.